Thinking about diving into AlphaForce but feeling a little uneasy? Let's find out if it's the real deal or just another online headache. First, we're going straight to the AlphaForce website and examining their claims. Notice the bold promises of guaranteed returns and how simple they make it sound. Red flag alert: legitimate trading platforms rarely guarantee profits. Next, let's scrutinize the testimonials. Are they specific? Do they sound like real people? Often, scam websites use generic or even fake reviews to lure you in. Be skeptical of anything too good to be true. Now, let's dig deeper with some independent research. Search for AlphaForce reviews on Google and check out what other people are saying on reputable review sites and forums. This is crucial to get an unbiased perspective. Look for consistent patterns in the negative reviews. If multiple users report issues with withdrawals, hidden fees, or unresponsive customer support, that's a huge warning sign. Before even considering signing up, carefully analyze the registration process. Are they asking for more personal information than necessary? Are they pushing you to use specific, less secure payment methods like cryptocurrency? These can be tactics used by scams. Ultimately, while I can't definitively say AlphaForce is a scam without concrete proof, the red flags are definitely there. Always do your own thorough research before investing any money. Your financial safety is paramount.